Mr. Rentz wants to talk. If you want to talk, you got to submit a blue form. Mr. Rentz, go up to the microphone and then later submit the blue form because we got to keep track of all this stuff. Mr. Rentz from Aqua, and I guess Urban.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Actually, I'll be commenting on the part of Aqua just for this comment. Mark Rentz, Aqua. First of all, I want to thank Ms. Bueller for, I thought, a pretty comprehensive presentation. I do have one question. I think I've raised it before, and I'm going to raise it again. If I haven't, this will be first time. Pertains to one of the slides. It's the one that talks about, the title of the slide is the Council's Possible Appellate Role in the PowerPoint presentation. And it talks about paragraph 23. And I'm a little concerned with the language there. It says, Council to determine, based on preponderance of the evidence, whether DFG determination is correct. Well, in essence, that's what you ultimately do. What it implies is that you may be, and I'm going to use some legalese here that you might appreciate, that the council is acting as a body of a trial court or body of first impression where it's clear you're an appellate role. And so what that statement there avoids is identifying who has the burden of proof on appeal. And I would suggest that maybe you want to consider some language that clearly articulates that, something along the line of the council to determine whether the appellate, i.e. the party bringing the appeal, has proven by a preponderance of evidence that DFG has made an incorrect determination. And the reason I raise that is because then it clearly articulates what the role is of the appellate. And it's not DFG that has to come up here and prove its case that it made a correct determination. It's the appellate that has to prove their case that they made an incorrect determination. It also answers the question that was raised earlier about what issues the council will address, and those issues should be clearly articulated, defined, and explained in the appellate's brief. And those should be the limiting issues that the council takes up, playing its role as an appellate body. And so I just wanted to bring that forward to you.
Sounds to me like we're going to repeat our debates of 2010
all
over
again. I think it's very important because this is a legal process. This is going to be a critical legal process, and it rolls over beyond BDCP, as we've talked before. You're going to be dealing with potentially other appeals of consistency determination. I think it's real clear for everybody to understand the due process and the roles that the appellate and the appellee play in this process, and who has the burden of proof. I think it will save you a lot of work in the long run, and establish and puts the burden on the parties, not on the council, to do the research and the homework. So I just wanted to bring that forward.
Thank you, Mr. Rentz. Okay.